Hi everyone, here's Adish Vikram from Deodar Kitchen Automate. Hereby I would like to present the fully automatic Italy machine of ours. So this is a video explaining the processes of a standard as well as mini Italy machine. First up, we have the panel. In the panel we have two features. The first feature is that you could change the size of the Italy, and the second feature is that you could set the cooking time as per your requirement. So the machine is switched on. We have four processes taking part in this machine. The first process is the automatic dispensation of batter. So as per your set value in the panel, we have the batter from the tank dispensing into the trays. So this is a uniform dispensation which does not happen with your manual process. And here's the second process, which is the cooking of Italy. So the Italy batter which has been dispensed moves in a conveyor system. It moves from the feeding unit to the oven. So here we have the cooking process going on. So steam generated from your boiler has to be connected to the oven. The Italy gets cooked in the oven. And the third process is the scooping of Italy. So here the cooked Italy gets scooped with the Teflon brushes, and they fall onto the big containers which you have placed at the bottom of the machine. The fourth and the most important process is the cleaning process, which is not visible over here. So that takes place at the bottom of the machine. So once the Italy's are being taken out to the scoopers, we have the cleaning system with jet sprays and nylon brushes. So they ensure that the trays moving on get cleaned for each and every cycle of production. So the similar process happens for mini Italy's, and we have also supplied to a customer in Singapore where they had a specific requirement of standard and mini Italy. So combining both is also a feasible solution. The main advantages of the Italy machine are you reduce labor to a great extent where you just need one person for the entire process. Second one is the uniformity, and the third one is even cooking, which is not possible with a manual steam process. So therefore we have many customers all over India, and we export the Italy machine as well. Thank you.